guys, and welcome to my channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Lyric. I'm a licensed esthetician, and this channel is where I talk about all things beauty. So for today, I have a really exciting topic to share with you guys. So today's video is all about my friend Katie and Jeff's candle company. So the candle company is called Fortune Teller Candle Company, and it is kind of a more zodiac-based candle company. So all their candles have specific scents that go with your zodiac. However, they are customizable. I know. So you can get the scent for Sagittarius and put Gemini on it if you want to, or you can get the scent for Gemini and you can write your name on it or your company's name or #1 mom to give as a gift. Whatever you guys want to do, you can customize it. I just think that this is such an amazing idea, and I wanted to bring it to the world scale right now and share it with you guys because I know I have some subscribers in Iowa, Illinois, and she ships to all those different places. So I just wanted to share this with you guys and talk to you guys about their company. So in the description box below, I have their website and their Instagram linked. Go ahead and click those links and go and check out their website and their Instagram. Don't forget to follow them. And if you guys would like to, you guys can use the code LYRIC and get 10% off of your order. And if your order is over $40, you also get free shipping. So go check out their stuff, and if you guys would like to hear a little bit about their business and about their scents and their candles, just keep watching. So first I want to talk about how the candles came to me. So the candles came in this little box. All 4 candles fit in here, and Katie wrapped them up with bubble wrap and a piece of paper on the inside. So once you unwrap this, it's basically just like a really cute marble paper just to keep everything nice and protected. So all 4 candles came wrapped like that, stacked in there perfectly, and nothing was broken, nothing was damaged in the process of shipping. Now, she lives about 2 hours away from me in Des Moines, Iowa. I'm near Iowa City, so it's about like a 2-hour drive, just kind of straight there. I ordered these back around my birthday, around Memorial Day, so I think that they actually shipped on my birthday. And it was like, I think my birthday was a Thursday this past year. So I think I got them by like Saturday, because it's really fast to ship them because it's just coming from a few hours away from me. But they ship all over the United States. Inside the box was this little sheet, and it talked about everything that I got on there. And then Katie initialed her initials with the date that she was initialing the paper, which means I'm pretty sure like the date that it was shipped out. So you have that proof in there that you purchased everything. And then she also sent this cute little note, and it says Fortune Teller Candle Company on it. So this is her logo for her company. And it says, Lyric, thank you for supporting our small biz. We're excited to hear what you think, K and J. So Katie and Jeff are my friends that own this business. And you guys, these candles are so amazing. I can't wait to share a little bit about the candles and about my friends and their company. I'm really excited to be partnering with them because we've been friends for like 4 years now, and I've watched them do so many amazing things, and this is by far, I feel like, their most amazing accomplishment is creating this business together. And I'm just so excited, and I'm so excited to support them, to keep supporting them, because these candles are seriously amazing, guys. So I'll just talk about the scents that I got and how you can customize them, and I'm going to show you guys some stuff on their website so you guys can kind of see what you can do. Let's head over to their Instagram, because that's where the link that I use to get to their website is. Fortune Teller Candle Company. Looks just like this. Let's see, let's tilt it. So it looks just like that. And there's obviously a link to their website. Sorry guys, I had an IV today for a doctor's appointment. Anyways, breezing right past that. So if there's just, you see this like little demented green hand, it's my special hand. So this is what it looks like. So there is free shipping on orders 40+, and then I do have a discount code personally for you guys. So if you use Lyric at checkout, you guys will also save an additional 10% on top of saving on shipping if you are over $40, which it's really easy to get over $40. I think like 2 or 3 candles will put you over 40 bucks, and they're just so well worth it. I can't even tell you guys how worth it they are. So you can click shop now on their website, and then it brings up their Zodiac collection. And then you can also do, so you can buy their entire collection for $100, which so cheap. So you could do that. You could do a gift card. You can do a custom logo and scent, which is, I think, the coolest part about this entire candle company. So for this company, it is right now Zodiac based, and they have a couple other things that they're going to be doing and new products that they're going to be coming out with. They also have different sizes that they're coming out with. This company literally just started, so it is like the sky's the limit. They can do so many different things, and I know that Katie is such a great businesswoman, and she's already thinking of so many amazing ideas to come out with, and I'm not going to say anything on here because I don't want to spoil any surprises for her. And then I know that she's also thinking about expanding things and doing things other than candles. So stay tuned for all that. I'm a Gemini, and so my scent for my sign is clean linen. Just because I'm a Gemini and my candle scent that comes, you know, pre-made is clean linen, just because I'm a Gemini doesn't mean I have to get clean linen. I can get one customized that says Gemini, but I actually get the creme brulee scent. That's probably the coolest thing about this, is the way that she set it up per your zodiac. So she decided that for your zodiac, she wanted to have something that kind of matched the season of your zodiac with the scent. So like, mine is clean linen because it's really fresh and airy, and that's my birthday's in spring. Mine's May 28th, so that I feel like makes really a lot of sense. Cancer is grapefruit because it's summer, it's like June, July. And then Leo, it gets to ocean mist because it's like the end of summer. Virgo is fresh coffee. Libra is burnt amber, which I heard is a really good one. I haven't tried that one yet, but I definitely will at some point. Scorpio is pumpkin chai because Scorpio is in the late fall. I have the pumpkin chai, guys. It smells so freaking good. I'm obsessed. And then Sagittarius is cranberry woods, which I also have. Capricorn is blue spruce. And then let's see, Aquarius is eucalyptus mint, which I really like. I feel like that's a really good bathroom scent because it's just really light and fresh and keeps everything smelling really good. Pisces is creme brulee, which I got. It smells like you've been baking the best pie or, you know, some type of pastry all day. So it's like if you have a real estate company, or if you're having people over and you want your house to just smell perfect for your company, it's creme brulee. I'm telling you, like, it smells amazing. Every time I light it, anyone that comes into my house is like, oh my God, what is that smell? It smells like you've been like baking all day. I'm like, nope, that's just my candle. So, Aries is the black sea, Taurus is lilac, Gemini clean linen. So we're back, fresh linen. So we're back to the beginning. So when you purchase these candles, you're purchasing from a small business, something locally sourced in the US. Everything that they create is clean and natural burning. I believe it's a soy blend wax that they use. And then they use essential oils to fragrance. And I mean, first of all, let me show you what they look like when they burn. So I have used this one the most. So this one I got with my name on it. So it says Lyric Taylor on it. And I think it's really cool. This is what's been sitting in the back of my videos when I film. Actually, just kidding. I lied. This one's been sitting in the back while I film. This is a fresh coffee scent. Oh, it's so good. It smells like you've been sitting in like the most beautiful cafe in the south of France. Like, oh, it's just so rich and indulgent smelling, and it just smells like coffee and cream. It's amazing. That usually sits and burns in the back while I film. Today I just have this one because I'm going to be picking all these candles up, so I don't want to have one burning in the back. But this one is the creme brulee scent. I burnt about half of this down almost. And this one I've had for obviously a few months since my birthday. And it's mid-July now. No, sorry, it's almost end of July. So this is 9 ounces. I know Katie said she's going to be creating some bigger sizes. I think like a 14 ounce maybe. Hopefully in the near future, because I want bigger candles because these are amazing. But I'll show you kind of what it looks like once it burns down. It burns really evenly. It leaves everything, like there's a little bit of residue on the side, but it burns super clean. If you look inside, I have not cleaned this off at all, which means that these have no soot inside them. So I don't know if you guys experience that with other candles, where it leaves a lot of like dirt and black in the rim. So I'll take my finger around the inside of this jar. There's like a little black smudge right there. I can tell you if I did that with like a Yankee candle or something from Bath and Body Works, my whole finger would be black. So these burn really, really clean, and they leave like no residue when they burn. And I think that that's so good. And I'm just like smelling this as I'm like waving it around in the air, and I'm just like, they smell so good, guys. I can't even tell you how good they smell. I'm like a big person that likes to shop at White Barn for candles or Yankee Candle. And these candles are so much better because they actually like really, they burn very slow, which I like, because I feel like the Bath and Body Works candles, no shade to you guys, but they burn. Like, I feel like I'll light them like 4 or 5 times and I'm like almost done with the candle. It just melts so fast. And these burn really slow, so I really like that. And the scent is very potent, which I really like. It's like a very strong scent, but it's in a good way. It fills the room perfectly without it choking you when you walk in the room. It's like like I said, it smells like you've been baking something all day if that's the kind of scent that you want. As of right now, I have the cranberry wood scent, which I haven't actually lit this one. I clipped it down because I intended to light it and then I ended up forgetting, I think, to light this. But this one smells really kind of fruity and fresh. I'm trying to think of the right words to describe this. It smells like fall, but not like the leaves and like the pumpkin. It smells like when you walk on like a nature walk. I don't know. I'm crazy. I'm like creating this whole scenario for this one candle, but that's like what scent does to me. I really envision myself in a different place when I'm smelling a candle. And this candle really like, it gives me fall, like little cottage vibes. And it's got the cranberry and like the earthiness of like a tree. It smells so good. The pumpkin chai, it smells so good. Actually, when this one burns, it's odd, but it kind of reminds me of like an oatmeal cookie, like a frosted oatmeal cookie mixed with like pumpkins, like a pumpkin oatmeal cookie when it burns. That's kind of what it reminds me of. But it smells so good. The wicks are super easy to clip, so underneath on the bottom of these candles, it has burning instructions. So on the bottom, I'll read it to you really quick. It says, trim wick 1/4 inch before lighting. Keep candle free of any foreign materials, including matches and wick trimming. So when you trim your wick, don't leave the wick trimming inside. You have to always make sure that you lift it out or, you know, kind of knock it out of the candle. You don't want it sitting in there. It says only burn candle on a level, fire-resistant surface. Do not burn candle for more than 4 hours at a time. Stop use when only 1/4 of wax remains. So when it's kind of like down to here, you want to just toss it out. It's not going to burn anymore. Usually candles will just stop working once they hit a certain point in the jar. So that's kind of nice. And then I'll show you guys what my wick snips look like. So these are from Yankee Candle. And they're nice and long, so if you have like a longer candle, you can get in there. And I like these a lot too because when you open them up and you pinch the wick, it kind of cradles it in there so it doesn't fall into the actual candle. Like how I was saying, you want to make sure that you clear that out. But I like that it doesn't fall in there. So make sure you're trimming your wicks when you're lighting these candles. And I just trim them every time I light them. And then the last one is the one that I always have burning in the back of my videos. And obviously I'm a Gemini, so all of my candles either say Gemini or they have my name on it. And I'll hold those up so you can see the logos. Made with coffee and sugar with undertones of cream. It smells like fresh beans and cream. Like fresh coffee beans and cream, that's what it smells like. It doesn't smell like a cup of coffee. It smells like the actual beans, which I really like, because that's like the scent that you smell when you go into a coffee shop. You're not smelling like the actual coffee, you're like smelling the beans being roasted and, you know, being ground up and stuff like that. So I have my first and last name on there, and I usually have it in the back of this video. The ideas are literally endless with these candles. You can customize them. Or you can have, you know, different scents with different zodiac signs if you want to. Obviously, I think you have to go within like a certain character length. You can't like write a freaking paragraph, but you know what I mean? Like little catchphrases or like #1 dad or something like that. And it's customizable. So you guys are able to give them as gifts. You're able to get them for your businesses, for your house. I think it's just so cool. And I love that Katie's already thinking about different packaging styles, and she's thinking about different colors of wax and stuff like that, so that it's going to be really fun and interchangeable, so you guys can keep up with it, and it's going to be constantly ebbing and flowing. I can't wait to keep supporting their business, and I can't wait to see all the other products that they're coming out with. Please don't forget to support your small businesses during this time. I know this is like a random video, I guess, because I have been talking mostly about skincare and stuff on my channel for a bit. I just thought right now it would be a good idea to mix it up and share with you guys all these amazing candles that you guys can be getting customized just for you. So if you guys want some new candles and you want to support an amazing couple and their small business, don't forget to go down in the description below and click the link for the candle company and their Instagram so that you guys can follow Katie and Jeff's journey. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Oh, you need to call